In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a certified Webflow expert in just 3 steps. You might be wondering what the benefits are of becoming a Webflow expert. And let me tell you, it's much more than just a title. As a certified expert, you'll not only enhance your design skills, but also gain credibility in the web design community. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Webflow website. Just open your preferred browser and type in webflow.com. Webflow is a powerful visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites without writing a single line of code. It's a fantastic tool for both beginners and experienced developers. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find a plethora of options and resources related to creating responsive and eye-catching websites. Next, you'll need to log in. If you're already a member, this part is straightforward. Simply click on the Login button you'll find prominently displayed. Of course, if you're new to Webflow, take a moment to set up an account. It's a simple process, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can start building and designing. Once you're logged in, head over to your Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub for managing projects, viewing analytics, and much more. While you're here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, because you'll be spending a lot of time here as you delve deeper into your Webflow journey. Now, here's an essential step that will put you on the path to certification. You'll need to access the Tutorials section. By clicking on Tutorials within your dashboard, you'll unlock a treasure trove of valuable information. These tutorials will enhance your understanding of Webflow's capabilities and expand your skill set significantly. The next step is to visit Webflow University. Within the Tutorials section, look for the option that says Webflow University and click on it. This platform is a fantastic resource, offering a variety of courses that cater to different skill levels. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refine your skills, Webflow University has something for everyone. Finally, you want to focus on enrolling in courses that are directly aligned with certification. Click on Courses upon entering Webflow University. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of study materials focusing on various aspects of Webflow. Carefully choose the courses that cover the essential topics you need for certification. By completing these courses and leveraging the knowledge gained, you'll be well on your way to becoming a recognized Webflow expert. Not only will you broaden your design framework, but you'll also enhance your professional standing. Don't forget to apply what you learn practically. Build your projects and experiment with Webflow's diverse features. And there you have it. With dedication and practice, certification is just around the corner.